Some days ago, I needed some funds, so I need to swap some amount of USDT to Naira. And the only option available then was to use the P2P option in Bybit. So I hopped on it. I went through the list of people that are available because experts have been advising, due to the recent scam, they say we should select trading with people that has a high trading volume. So I checked through the trade list and I picked someone that had a trade volume of about 2,000. And also I saw some good track records and the likes. So I went ahead to trade with this person. I can't remember exactly the amount of USDT, but the equivalent in Naira was supposed to be 77K. So immediately I placed this sell order. The person responded immediately, not up to 40 seconds. The person sent the funds. Now, I was supposed to go and approve that, oh, I have received these funds, then I release the USDT. I now decided to check the alert because I just received the alert or the notification on my phone. When I went through it, I saw that what this person sent was 71K. I was not like, is it that I'm not seeing where I still open my bank app, look through it, and I saw that this person sent 71K. So I now went to message the person that what happened to the remaining balance. It was not like I should wait, let him confirm. So after maybe doing his confirmation or whatsoever, we took about 4 minutes. Now send the remaining balance of 6K. So here is the thing. I don't want to directly call this person a scammer, despite that is the direction it tweet towards. Because imagine if I didn't check this and then I just checked the notification and saw that, oh, the alert has come and I approved it. That person will carry the money go. He will not send the remaining one. But then I now remember that this has happened to me one time before, not on Bybit. I was trying to purchase some CNGN on Zen Finance. And in case, for those of you that don't know what CNGN is the native cryptocurrency pegged to the Nigerian Naira, just as we have USDT. That is how CNGN is. So you can purchase CNGN, you can trade with it, you can convert it to USDT, you can convert to Bitcoin, you can convert to any token. Personally, when I purchase it, I send it to my MetaMask. Then I use the CNGN to, do on-chain activities on asset chain so that I am going to get points from asset chain, since asset chain is going to be one of the biggest airdrop that is coming very soon. So during the time I was supposed to purchase this CNGN through the P2P on Zen Finance app, I wanted to purchase 20K worth of CNGN. So I went and sent 2,000 Naira to the person, expecting to receive my 20K CNGN. And it took about, let's say, up to 10 minutes. The person now called me on phone. I was like, I sent 2,000. That was when I now went through it and I saw that, oh, it's 2,000%, not even 20K. So I went and sent the balance. And in that case, I'm now thinking the person feel the thing say, oh, it be like say I'm one of the scammers. I want to. So. I don't know. But then I just remember that similar thing has happened to me before. So I don't want to be quick to judge. But this is to tell you that always verify. Whenever you're trading, always verify to see that the exact amount is what is sent to you. If possible, for someone like me, when I receive the amount in my account self, I even go there to send out the money into another bank before I go ahead and release the funds, because of this case of saying money reversed. Even though it has not happened to me personally, and I have not witnessed a case where it happened that they send money to your account, you already received the credit alert and then it reversed. But then I have trust issues. I don't want that type of experience, and that is basically it. So make sure that you are following me here, that you are watching the video, and go and follow me on my X channel, which is Tonio's Tech, so that you can stay in touch for updates, because that is where I do drop most of the updates even before making videos on them.